Hello, my name is Hazel. I'm going to be showing you my project. It's about car safety. And Hazel here is going to be taking us through. Hope you like it. Well, now the camera can't come on, so I'll just be showing you the code. Okay. I'm showing you the code because my camera can't come on. So these are Hazel instructions. So when green flag clicks, just to come to her position as how she's standing right now. Put on the video, but right now the video is not on. Let's go out the other things. Then she'll ask you what's your name. After saying that, she'll say, nice to meet you. Then the answer. Then say, I'm Hazel, your assistant. What would you like to do today? Then you answer. Then she'll tell you that that's nice, but I got a better idea. Why don't we learn about car safety? Then she asks, is that nice? If you don't like the idea, there are options, no and yes. You can choose no, then you'll leave your thinking. If you choose yes, she will say, let's get started, then you get started. Then she'll say, before we start, let us first make sure that we are all wearing masks. Then she'll tell you put on your mask and you have to put on a mask. Then of course she will say switch codes to introduce a standing, and that will be when she has her mask as well. And then if you're not wearing your mask, she won't tell you the rest until you wear it. Then if you wear it, she'll say what is car safety. Then she'll tell you what car safety is. Then she'll say before the lesson, let us first start it again. And it's going to be a celebrity detector. Then they'll show you an image of a celebrity. Right now here the image is Rema. If you get it correct, she'll say correct, then she will increase your score. If you get it wrong, she'll say wrong, and then you reduce your score. Then here we have that Cameron, a singer musician. If you get her name right, she'll say correct. If you get it wrong, she'll say wrong, and then she'll reduce your score. Now here we have a footballer named Bruce Nelson. If you get it right, of course she'll keep on saying correct. If you get it wrong, she'll say wrong. And then here I have Shiba. To get it correct, she'll say correct. To get it wrong, she'll say wrong. And then here we have Jordan, the footballer as well. They'll ask you what's his name. Then you have to say it. When you say it, she'll say correct or wrong if the answer is wrong. Then here we have 10. If you get her name correct, they'll increase your score by 1. If you get it wrong, she'll say wrong and then reduce your score. Here, then she'll switch back to backdrop 1, then turn on your video, then she'll show. Then she'll switch your score, then she says, wow, it's better than 0. Then say, okay, let's now get on with the lesson. She'll turn your video off. So let me just skip and then the rest will happen. Like now the code here are supposed to, like, if you if now inside you're going into the car, then she will say that, so now we are going to take a drive to the town. If you need anything, ask me. Then backdrop will switch to the car. Then after that, this aim will show up, and then you'll have to click it to enter the car. But if you but if you but if you if you click it, it will first have to recognize your face because it has a security system. Just doesn't doesn't want any face to enter your car which you're paid for. If your face is recognized, it says face forward, then it will let you in. Then when it lets you in, Hazel will tell you the instructions. Like if you want the journey to begin, you have to say start drive. Then if you don't want if you want the journey to stop, you say stop drive. If you want music to be playing, you just say, can you play for me some music? It will play for you some music. And then if you want the music to stop, you just say stop music. Then the music will stop. I think that's all. So I so I really wish I could do this project for you when it's working, but now I can't because music is dead. So bye.